Okay, me out of time. Remember this one? Oh! Battery's dead. Dang it! It's been a while since I've been in this car. I gotta figure out where things are. Oh, my wipers don't work. But my roof looks like a galaxy. Oh, I can't go here. I have to turn around. Sorry, Dave. Oh, there's turbo. Way over there. I'll go back to my shop. My neighbors are probably all like, what's going on? Oh, man, I miss driving this car. This thing is fun. We're gonna back on up into the shop. Park this guy right about there. We'll let it run for a little bit because it hasn't been running. By the way, Miata for sale, BMW for sale. You could own those cars today. This car, you guys remember this car? That tongue, oh, the engine. I feel like it's just been so long since we've been together. Look at this, ready? Wow. You know what's cool about this engine? So that's my hood prop or my head prop. But it feels so nice. That's why I like things. It just feels good. Especially when you're not looking at it. Touching a running engine while you're not looking at it, smart. Okay, so moral of the story, buy that car and that car so that I could build the car that's on that side. There's a wall there, put my other shop on that side. Fun idea, it's been in the works for about 10 years. Getting ready to, like, we're gonna finally do it. We'll go look. Yeah. You know why this one's cool? Because I can put my finger in it. Hey look, I made this wheel. Ooh, yep, got a rag. Wow, that's pretty cool. See, I made it, you can tell. Wow, you still have no idea what this is, other than you can finger it. But enough about that. I got new parts. Just believe it or not, things just break over time. You got enough light whips, they sit on top of your existing parts. By the way, light whips, still got a lot of those for sale. If you want light whips, I'm kind of your guy. You can talk to me. These ones, they're pretty cool. They're twisty. Twisty. But I was gonna make a joke. It's not funny anymore. I was gonna be like, oh, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna put this back on my truck now, because it is broken. Well, this is just great. You see this thing, this, that, you know, I shouldn't be able to finger that either. I bought the wrong pipe because I can't measure very well. I'm a man, I made a mistake, and I'm telling the internet because it's what real men do. My pipe's at home, the other pipes that I need to make that work are at home, and I have to poop. That's also what real men do. So, Turbo, wanna go for a car ride? Let's go. Hey, Turbo, car ride? Hello? You wanna go for a car ride? Oh yeah. I have to look at him for it to have an effect. All right, off to the poop factory. All right, we're at the poop factory. Couple things. You got a squatty potty? Important. Secondly, carbon fiber toilet seat that I made because I make things carbon fiber. Third thing, it feels nice. Because when you're pooping, you want to have it to feel nice. That's important, right? You can think that this is gross all you want, but you know that I'm telling the truth. Okay, I got my pipes and my pressure washer, because you never go anywhere without your pressure washer, even though I already did today. That's the second mistake that I've made today. Went somewhere without my pressure washer. Bad. Okay, won't do that again. Real men don't put the spark guards on their grinders. But we do wear gloves and safety glasses, because when you get sparks in your eyes, that's not very fun. Yep, measure once, cut once. But you know, that fits on there. And then this that. No longer able to finger it. Now I will weld it. It's been a whirlwind of emotions. I need to cut the old exhaust off my truck. Put the new stuff on. It's like, dang, I don't have my saber saw. And then I was like, oh wait, I have my saber saw. I found it. But there's no blade in it. So then I go to my drawer that has my saber saw blades in it. I'm like, oh dang, I only have one that's for wood. That sucks. Now I can't use my saber saw. What am I going to do? Okay, I use my grinder with a cutoff wheel on it. Yay, the solution wasn't what I wanted, because I know that I have metal blades for my saber saw somewhere, but I'm sad that I can't find them. So then, I'm looking around a little bit more, said, I find my blades for my saber saw, and I have ones for metal now. So, I could put this in. No, I can't. That's gonna go in there, and I'm gonna cut my exhaust off my truck, and I don't have to use this, and now I'm happy again. I think. I don't know. Also, there's a backup tool. Always keep a katana on hand, because you never know when your samurai warrior skills are gonna come in handy. Worst case scenario, this will do the job. That's a hot tip for you. So that's the old one. That's the new one. I got it off. There's only one thing that this is good for now. Opening lunch. I've prepared a demonstration. One-handed. There you go. Started it. I will now finish it. Ah, yes. Okay, break time over. We've reached part level hard where I have to get this guy and that guy like all lined up and turned right. So like how do you all hold it together if you're not an octopus? I don't know. Using my hairy shiny metal maker on this guy, tring tring tring, go on here, like so, and then it goes up onto that thing there, and then so we'll do this one first, that one, and then later we'll do this one. When it's done and not perfect, we won't tell anybody and no one will know because nobody actually really cares. Fun facts, I made my welding helmet too. It also glows in the dark. Why it needs to glow in the dark? I don't know. I just like things that glow in the dark, so I made it glow in the dark. It's cool, but it's also broken now, so I might revert to the old school way. The level of excitement I have about these is pretty high up there. Like, really high up there. I cannot wait to weld. Ow! This already hurts and I'm not even welding. These are much better. We use these for motorcycle riding. It's real good. This is like $10 motorcycle riding goggles. They work great. I have immediately decided that those goggles are meant for an acetylene torch, not for welding. I can barely see as it is right now, and that's gonna hurt later for sure. So it's back to the welding helmet. Curious what it looks like behind this welding helmet that's 15 years old? Wow, the clarity is just... Here we go. I'm not gonna lie, the last hour of my day has not been a family-friendly situation. It's a good thing it's not structural, and I don't care what you think. It's my truck. You can see in there, that's good enough, because broken welding helmet, broken welder. Ta-da! The exhaust comes out of both of those. I'm happy with that. I've burnt all over the place, and I stink a lot now because my hair got burnt. New thing I discovered when you weld above you, your beard burns, so that stinks too. Got a sparkle right in my nose, so I can't smell in this nostril. Kind of hurts a little bit, but we're gonna call that a day because this works, and I'm done because I'm frustrated and just want to get out of here. So thanks for watching.